Docker container ls. Okay, now I will show you that. I'll just clear these things and I will show you Docker container ls. Once it is done, as of now there are no containers that are running. What I do, I just add this thing within 5 seconds. I need to check. This is the currently running application because here it is appending this thing. And if I do it again, no containers are running because Python application is terminated after 5 seconds. And this is how we go with Docker container ls to get a list of the containers. And here I will use another command like um, okay, I just run this application again. And once it is done, it will show me the container id. This is the container id what I have. That changes again and again. And for that reason I just edit my Python file. And in the Python file, being o.py file, we had something like file. I will just insert this application, and I want it to be around 10 seconds so that we can able to perform our operations properly. I just use docker build dot. Once it is done, I will go with docker images. And after that I am going to go with the docker run, docker container ls, docker stop the container, docker remove the container, and docker inspect my id, the container id. And after these all things, I'm going to show you like the Docker containers, executing them under the bash, providing a separate bash for the container. And it is done. I just want my Docker images. um, Once I will get my Docker images, then I can able to proceed further. And I got my Docker images. This is the Docker run minus it, and this is 9f bd and 54 and de and 4 bbc. And here it started counting my application. If I just go over here and list down my containers, it will show you the container. Now I just want to stop the container, therefore I can use 2753 and b77 and f83 and b6. Okay, the container has been stopped. As you can have a look over here, I just run this application again. This is 5b37 3bf2 ab3. Application has been stopped because we are stopping this application. We can able to remove the container using docker rm and the container id. And we can able to pause the container using docker ps and the container name. And these are the operation that we perform on the docker, and these are commands related. Thank you.